Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yes, it's another episode.
Thank you for joining us again, and if you're new here, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We have a whole lot of videos on our channel.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well.
Yes, he's always reminding me because I always forget.
Yes.
And also remember to follow us on Instagram and
At
like
YaadMentz.
this at YaadMentz and like this video if you enjoyed it.
Right, and also follow us on Facebook as well.
Yes.
We have a Facebook page as well.
And
yes.
it's the same at YaadMentz.
Right, so like it, comment if you feel led to comment, because it's a new YaadMentz Tries video. Come on.
Yes,
Come
and
on.
of course, you know, we love the suggestions that you guys always give us.
Yes.
So if there's anything out there that you guys see that you want us to try,
right,
let us know.
Right.
And if you're new, I should just tell you that I'm Devi and this is
Sean.
Right, and this is YaadMentz Tries, as you guys would have heard.
Yes.
So what are we trying today?
So from a city brown bag, I mean, it can be anything in there, but it's a brown bag nonetheless.
Yes.
You know that Jamaicans, we don't do the plastic bag thing anymore, especially for supermarkets and restaurants. But today we're focusing on a restaurant, KFC.
KFC.
Yes, man.
So KFC came out with this new
Double down chicken sandwich.
right? So it's a new addition to their menu.
I mean, let's see how long it stay on the menu.
Yeah, if you guys have been watching us for a while, you guys would have known that our first YaadMentz Tries episode was actually on KFC. Yeah,
right,
it was on the KFC
the
pizza. Right?
Yeah,
so it was basically a chicken pizza without the dough.
Right. So if you have never watched that video, we're going to put the cards in this video, so you can click on it and watch it. Watch that YaadMentz Tries. Yeah. But today we're focusing on the chicken sandwich, the double down chicken sandwich.
So it's not a regular chicken sandwich. So there's actually no buns. So there's no bread.
There's no buns, no bread, just meat. It's just meat and cheese and sauce and meat again, because there's bacon
inside of it.
So alright, so we purchased. Let me take out
so we purchased it, and it comes in a combo.
Right.
So you can see that we have a drink. This is what the box looks like.
You will see the
B-roll.
B-roll.
You will see the B-roll.
Right.
And it comes with fries also.
You get your straw.
Yeah.
And you get your fork and your piece of ketchup. I don't know.
Yeah. The usual stuff. So we'll just part this bag.
And normally just tear the bag when you come on to the fries. You know, so you can see the fries. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wow, the fries. So strong. So strengthy. All right. So this is the box, as you guys would have seen already. And this is what it looks like inside. You guys would have probably seen that already. So we're just gonna take out the box. I think the box is kind of cool though, because you know, usually KFC white and red, the usual box, but I think it was a cool idea to do the box. Yeah.
I like the design. I like that you can actually see the item before you open it.
Right. They went out on this one. On this one.
So that's the box.
So the price for the entire meal, the combo is $895 for the fries and the sandwich and the drink. But if it's the sandwich alone, it's $700 and something. I don't remember the exact price, but it's in the $700 range just for the sandwich. Just for the sandwich alone.
Well, it must get full my belly then. It's supposed to last for 4 hours. You're supposed to eat every 4 hours, that them say.
Okay then.
Well, it's supposed to last me then. Alright, so let's open this up.
You will see a close-up shot of that as well.
Yeah, so okay, it's basically chicken. So what kind of chicken is it? Spicy chicken or just regular chicken? Do you have an option?
I'm not sure. I didn't ask if you had an option.
It looks like regular chicken, like regular
chicken sandwich. It does look like regular chicken sandwich. I think we need to cut it in half.
Yeah, because you know I'm gonna want to eat most of it. So let's just get a knife and cut it in half. Move fly. Guys, please welcome the flies that are here. They obviously want to be a part of the video.
Alright.
Right, so as you said, it has bacon, and if you're watching YaadMentz for a while, you know that Mr. Sir here does not eat bacon.
Yeah.
So he's gonna have to check his piece to make sure no bacon is inside of it.
Sauce is spilling.
Oh, the sauce is spilling. Okay.
Cheese, bacon.
Oh yeah, I see the bacon there. Ooh.
There's bacon in it.
I will take that.
Yeah.
Alright, I mean it looks
cheesy.
Fine, like I don't really feel like there's anything really to it, but I mean
smell alright.
Yeah, it smells like chicken. Don't know what the flavor is gonna be like. Oh yes, see another piece of bacon there. You catch it, man.
There's bacon inside the cheese as well.
Yeah.
So
just stick this inside here.
Yeah.
And what kind of sauce is it? Is it barbecue sauce?
Might be barbecue sauce.
Well, I guess we'll have to try and see. Alright, ready? Cheers.
It is spicy chicken. Can definitely taste the spice. What do you think so far? I have to get the fries.
Ooh, hiccups.
The taste is not bad. Biting into the sandwich. It have a nice taste. The sauce and the cheese and the chicken together, it does have a nice taste.
Yeah, it's barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
And as Sean said, that it's spicy chicken. I had the one, of course, he doesn't eat the bacon. I think the bacon gives it a extra flavor. Tastes just like regular spicy KFC chicken, which we love spicy. Maybe another time they will probably do maybe a barbecue flavored one, barbecue chicken, or regular original. We'll see, but I mean, it tastes good. I feel like if I take another bite of it, don't know. Yeah, the flavor is good. It's not too salty.
You definitely can taste the spicy chicken. It is a spicy chicken breast. Really and truly, it's not bad.
It's not bad. It tastes good. Would it fully belly though?
I mean, with the fries and the drink, maybe you can do something. But is it worth the price? I think the price could be a little bit less. To be honest, $895 for the combo. I think the price could be less. You know, probably around $5.90 or something. Around that price.
Yeah, you're not getting no bread.
Right, you're not getting no buns with it or anything like that. So, but really and truly, people, it tastes good. It tastes good.
I agree. So, would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up?
I definitely give this a YaadMentz thumbs up. It tastes good. It's worth a try, to be honest.
Worth a try. Not something you're gonna buy every day.
Right. It's worth a try. Don't know how long KFC I can keep it around for, but it definitely worth a try, especially with the spicy breast. I don't know if they have a barbecue option, the barbecue chicken option, but this, it tastes good. It definitely tastes good.
And I will give it a YaadMentz thumbs up too. Ooh, my mouth is full, guys. I will give it a YaadMentz thumbs up also. But as I say, and that's something makes myself I eat on a while because of the price. But it's definitely worth a try. For sure.
And the chicken is not dry.
Nice.
Yeah,
guys, so yeah, we want to finish up eating this, so let's just close out. I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of YaadMentz Tries. If you guys have tried the double down, comment down below and let us know what you think. Was it worth the price? Did you enjoy it? How was the flavor? Did you like it? Let us know. Also, please remember to like this video if you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below. Follow us on Instagram. Share our videos.
Subscribe,
on Facebook, on Instagram, on wherever. Just share it and remember to subscribe. Thank you again for tuning in.
Yes.
We will see you in our next episode. Bye, guys.